Hello, my name is Judd Albring, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a membership section in ClickFunnels. So if you are brand new to ClickFunnels, or even if you're been using ClickFunnels for a while, this is called the ClickFunnels Marketplace. A lot of people don't know about this, or they simply don't use it. Now I'm going to keep that open for a second, but I want to show you how to get to your ClickFunnels Marketplace. We're going to go there to so you go, oops, I didn't even tell you guys. Here we go. Let's go back. So on your ClickFunnels dashboard, you'll go to ClickFunnels, scroll down, and go Funnel Marketplace. Now in here, and then click Shop Templates. So when I do a membership funnel, I like to start with a pre-built funnel. Now you can build it pretty easy within steps, but you have these funnels, really nice funnels built out for you. So you can see here, these are all membership funnels. They're all laid out. So when it comes to putting in your sections and adding your information, it's pretty straightforward. Now you can obviously buy some here, you can do courses, but any of these templates will work fine. This is pretty straightforward. I find this to be real good. This is called Rippling Membership Funnel. So we'll use this, and then I'll show you how you connect this. And then you just hit Get Template. Don't worry, it's free. Log in and continue. If you did not have a ClickFunnels account, it would just ask you to prompt a trial. It says confirm purchase, but don't worry, it's free. Again, you just need to be a ClickFunnels user. So use my template now, and this will pop open all the steps. Okay, and it's great because it even shows you here, right, how to set up a lead magnet. So this might be if you're promoting it on Facebook or wherever, this would be your lead magnet. But what we want to focus on is the login and the membership area. So if you actually want to build a ClickFunnels section, it's pretty straightforward. This is the login. Membership area is where all of your sections, all of your good information is going to be. And the way that it works is you have all these various sections, right? First section, second section, and so forth. All you need to do is simply open up the editor. Now you can move these around, so if you need to change it, and then you'd click on there and edit it, right? So let's just say session 1, right? FB ads, okay? Update lesson. So this is my lesson within my section, okay? I open the editor to edit within the section, okay? Let's give it 1 second to load here. So this will just give me pretty straightforward stuff here. If I don't like any of these, right, I can add in any element I want. If I want to do video or anything like that, I can simply go to add element, right? A lot of people like to use video in their training, and I can put a video here. Now if I don't like this, right, I'll take this out, and typically what I would do is I would start with a brand new section. Oops, I do a section, okay, drop that section in there. Then I would add my row, and I would just use a 1-column row. Then I'd go pretty straightforward and do video, right? And then this is where, let's get rid of all this here, delete. This is where you can, depending on what your goal is for each video, whatever you're doing, or lesson that you're doing. I like to do my title, little subtitle, and then I would add my video here. And then what I like to have is maybe a call to action. So I do a button that gives them a step, right? This could be an affiliate offer. It could be to download some information, whatever the case may be. That's how you would do it. And then you just click save, log out of there, and then you go to this main edit membership design. Okay, and this will show our first lesson. Okay, let's preview. So you can see here, first section, lesson 1, there it is. Okay, and that's it. And then you have all your different sections here, and you can change all those out. Let's go back out here. I don't need to save it. All right, here it is. So here are your sections. All right, and that is it. Any questions, comments, please let me know. Thank you and have a good day.